Yo guys, how's it going? AK Moto here. Today we're going to be doing a little unboxing on these Boyesen products I got. I am opening the box upside down, mainly just to hide the shipping labels and all that stuff. But here I have ordered a Boyesen Rad valve as well as an ignition cover. And I did sign up for rider support, so I did get a discount on this stuff, which is pretty cool. So yeah, I'll put a link to where I got this straight from the Boyesen website. Yeah, let's unbox it. So yeah, again, I am unboxing this upside down, so just mainly to protect the stuff, like labels and stuff. Let's see what we have here. Alright, sweet, we have our ignition cover here. And then this should be our rad valve. Oh yeah, guys. Look at this. Here, get this out of here. Here's our rad valve. Here is our ignition cover. So yeah, pretty sweet. First we will do the ignition cover. I guess just because it's closer to me. Little box. Packaged pretty well, actually. Get that open. Get this side going. And this side. Alright guys, let's open it up. Here it is. Right here. Oh yeah, guys, can unfold. Here it is. There it is, and as well as a gasket and a decal, Boyesen decal. So I got one of these made of aluminum. It has a really cool looking finish. You can see really good looking finish. Oh, my cat wants to come in. Come on in, Kevin. Anyway, so here it is. It replaces the stock one because the stock one is plastic. So yeah, we get this and a decal per every item we order. So yeah, it looks pretty sweet. And you're gonna see my cat here. His name's Kevin. What's up, Kevin? So yeah, it's pretty sweet. Again, I replaced this just because the stock one's plastic and don't want that to break mid-race. So yeah, and again, I got a pretty good discount on this kind of stuff, so, yeah, and it came with a gasket as well, fresh gasket, sweet, and it's made of really strong, really nice polished material, of course. And next, we're gonna get our rad valve, so we'll just have this sitting over here, I guess. Let's take the gasket off. There we go. That looks sweet. Oh, we got 2 stickers from that, actually. Sweet, got 2 stickers. 1, 2. Then let's get our rad valve open. Okay. So here's our little rad valve box. Let me figure out how to properly open this. I think just this one little sticker. Alright, so we got some instructions. Put this over here. We got some instructions, a gasket, and here is the rad valve itself, along with 2 Boyesen stickers. So here it is. My cat's over there playing in the packaging. This out here. So here it is. Got a few gaskets. Got a few stickers. Got instructions. Here, let's try it. Ready, guys? Oh, I can already see it. Look at that. Man, guys, look. That's a work of art. In case you don't know the magic of these basically have both the carbon fiber reeds on, and I forget the other style, what it's called, but yeah, it has the other ones on there too. It's real good quality. As you can see, it's not some cheap reed valve system. So yeah, rad valve should improve our bottom, mid, and top end horsepower. So yeah, there's that. Oh, no. Yeah, there it is. Looking cool, looking cool. And then, of course, comes with a gasket, which I believe is... not sure which side this goes on. I mean, it seats against the bike this way, so yeah, it goes right there. That's on backwards. Cat's over here chilling, playing with some of the packaging. Yeah, let's see if I can figure out how this gasket works. Oh, there we go. So yeah, it just goes on just like that. Sweets. We got our rad valve. Now, most of them do come with a hose clamp, but for mine it didn't. My guess is because, I don't know. But yeah, some of them do, some of them don't. But I'm happy. So, yep, there it is. There's all the products. I got this for a pretty good discount because I applied for rider support. This retails for about like $180. And this one right here retails around like $80, $90, $100 depending on your bike and where you buy it from. So I mean, this one's cheap power when you really think about it. And this one's just aesthetics and a little bit of strength too. So yeah, I got some instructions for some jetting guides and for a key and carburetor. I believe it. Yeah, I have a key and carburetor. So yeah, looks sweet. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. I'll probably be doing an install video where I install all these products. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.